Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very easy and simple mango milkshake recipe. Now that we're in mango season, you can make many different types of recipes with mangoes. My favorite is the milkshake. For this recipe, you'll need 2 mangoes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of fresh cream. I'm also going to add some ice. This is optional. We're going to peel and dice our mango and add them into our blender along with the sugar, cream, and ice. I'm also adding 3 cups of whole milk. Now I'm going to blend everything together. Now I'm going to transfer the mango milkshake in our glasses. This recipe makes 4 servings. You can also add a little bit of whipped cream on top. I hope you enjoyed this super quick recipe today. This is very good for the summertime. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one.